Welcome to our tool time. I'm Elizabeth, and I'm joined here by my partner Marquita. We're going to introduce you to a tool that you'll find useful for organizing your thoughts and ideas, as well as collaborating with classmates. Pinterest is a virtual pin board that lets you organize and share all of the interesting things that you find on the web. You can also browse and repin other people's pins. You might already be using Pinterest to organize things like recipes, fashion, wedding and vacation plans, but we're going to show you how to use Pinterest to organize information related to your school and work life.
Pinterest is one of the fastest growing social networks today. Its structure allows you to share and organize information visually. Information can be organized by topics such as classroom tools, tech tools, or blogs.
For each topic you want to pin about, you must create a board. Boards can be public or secret. Public boards are viewable by any Pinterest user. Secret boards can only be seen by you and others you share them with. Shared boards can have multiple people pinning to them. The person who creates the shared board can invite others to pin. Here's an example of a secret board that I created and invited Marquita to pin on. We're using this board to organize the resources for our final project for this class. We'll tell you more about our project later.
The easiest way to add pins to your board is to repin what others have already added to Pinterest. This can be done by browsing predefined categories such as education or technology, or by searching for keywords such as Web 2.0 or infographics, or by repinning pins from other pinners or groups you are following. Following basically means you will be able to see a pinner's recent pins on your homepage when you log on to Pinterest. In our example, by clicking the red button, we'll start following all of Stockton's boards, or we could pick specific Stockton boards to follow. The other way to add pins to your board is to pin directly from the web using your computer, your tablet, or your cell phone. On your computer, you can add a Pin It button to your web browser, which allows you to pin any web page that contains a graphic. With the Pinterest app on your cell phone or tablet, you can take a photo and pin it instantly.
There are several ways you might not have thought of to use Pinterest to help you here at Stockton and in your career. Shared boards are a great tool that you can use to collaborate on a project. Marquita and I created 3 shared boards for our final project to organize tools, resources, and YouTube videos. This allowed us to pin useful information and share ideas while working remotely. Because Pinterest is a visual tool, it is a great way to showcase things like images and infographics. If you're looking for a job, you could create a board with a portfolio of your classwork where prospective employers can see what you've done. Another option could be to create a board with relevant articles from the web that you want to read later and might consider posting on your blog. Speaking of blogs, Pinterest is also a great way to publicize your blog posts. Each time you post to your blog, pin the post in Pinterest. Everyone who's following you will see your new post and can access it with 2 clicks. Another blog-related tip is to create a Pinterest board with links to all of your classmates' blogs. This gives you easy access to everyone's blogs with fewer clicks. Let's switch over to Pinterest, where Marquita will show you a quick demo of some of the features we've talked about today.
I'm now on my Pinterest homepage. From here, I'm opening up my boards. Here's an example board we put together with links to our classmates' blogs. From here, you simply click and then click again to open a blog page. Now we're going to leave the blog page to go back to Pinterest, where I'll show you the 3 secret boards we created to collaborate on our final project. Our project's learning session is designed for parents to learn about the care and maintenance of their children's artificial airway. As we researched the project, we pinned information to these boards, and then we used some of the information to create a Pinterest account with resources for the parents.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Pinterest presentation. We've posted a one-page summary in Blackboard with more information to help you get started and to give you some ideas for using Pinterest. We've also created this Mate Pinterest Resources board that you can search for and start following. We've posted some infographics on the board that will give you some helpful ideas and tips to maximize your pinning potential. We hope that if you don't already have a Pinterest account, you'll create one and start pinning soon.